What's going on? Seymour Travel 77 here. Today I'm at Aircraft Station on the Werribee line. Here we have a Comex EDI service with 369M at the front, now departing for a service to Flinders Street. The middle car is 370, 486 I think, and 485 for another Comex EDI service. About to come into platform number 2 here at Aircraft with a Comex Alstom set. (361) 323 677, and the rear is another Alstom Comex set. Get your rear wings depart. Comex Alstom set now departing Aircraft with 677. And the rear is 678 for a service stopping all stations to Werribee. The next stop, Hopper's Crossings, then Williams Landing and Werribee. I believe it's the other way around, but anyhow. About to pass platform number 2 here at Aircraft. We have it's BL29 for a freight train, or 2 locomotives with XR554 and XR559. Ooh, that's awesome. Saw that in the yards as I was arriving yesterday from Sydney. Coming into platform number 1 at Aircraft, a Comex Alstom set. (614) and 613s. And 544, which is a Comex EDI services to rear. Comex set now departing, the Alstom at the front and a EDI at the front at the rear, so 544M at the front rear car, and the back is 543M for a service to Flinders Street. The next stop, Laverton, then Newport, then all stations to Flinders Street direct. Going into platform number 2, we have a Sleeman set for service to Werribee. My first Sleeman set in Melbourne. Nice. Front half is 778. 777, 707, and I'm not going to get the rear. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this video at Aircraft. Please subscribe, like and favourite my Facebook and Instagram pages, and I'll see you all in the next one. And stay tuned for more Melbourne videos.